Hi there! Today we take a look at this rechargeable reading lamp. The lamp comes packed in this box. There is little information on it, such as some technical data and the properties of the lamp. Let's take a look in the box. The lamp makes a good impression so far. Only the clamp looks a bit big. But let's take a closer look at the lamp. The arm can be moved easily and stays in a good shape. On the underside of the lamp there are rubber legs so that the lamp can stand stable. The lamp itself is relatively strong. But after all, it shouldn't fall off. It is rubberized on the inside. The clamp itself is made of plastic. The lamp head is also made of plastic. The inner ring is luminous. The processing is fine so far. You can see some production seams, but for the price completely okay. There are various switches on the clamp for control. There are two touch buttons on the top of the clamp. On the side there is a mechanical switch for on and off. Next to it we see a micro USB port for charging the device. A cable for this is not included, but most people have this anyway. On the upper rear area of the clamp we see a cylindrical bulb. The battery is located here. Apparently a 18650 cell. Let's turn on the lamp. The left button is for the brightness, the right for the color temperature. Both have 3 levels each. The lamp has 2 different LEDs for color temperature. One's blue and one's yellow. Therefore there are 3 possibilities. Pure blue, pure yellow, and mixed. In terms of brightness, I think the lamp is perfectly fine. I can't say anything about the running time. Only that the lamp has been in operation for a long time and has never had to be charged until now. If I can estimate a time, then you will find out in the video description. My conclusion. The lamp is completely fine for the price. It does what it should and the brightness is perfect for reading. Also that there are different color temperature modes is great. Since the battery has been running for a long time, I am super satisfied with the lamp. Hence a recommendation without hesitation. If you liked the video, please leave us a comment. See you next time!